If you're a Facebook ad copywriter or you run Facebook ads for your company, this video is for you. What we're going to go look at today is how you could cut down the time it takes to make Facebook ad copy. Now, what a lot of people do whenever they approach creating ad copy is they'll try and make a prompt. They'll put that prompt into ChatGPT, and then they'll say, hey, create me a Facebook ad for this product. They'll add some, for instance, text, and then they'll expect AI to do all the heavy lifting for them. The challenge that they often run into is it's not as precise as they want it. And what we're going to go look at today is how you could control the way that AI makes your Facebook ad copy. So what we're going to go do is we're identifying what components are a part of an ad normally. So in a normal Facebook ad, there's always a hook, there's body text, and then there's often a call to action. Whenever we're using AI to create the ad copy for us, what I found works the best is to start with an idea. So you're going to go feed the AI text and ask it to create an idea of how to create the ad first. After you have that response of the idea, what you're then going to go do is to create the body text for the ad. So it's the text that goes between the hook and then the call to action. After you have the body, you're then going to go create the hook. And then after you have the hook, you're then going to be able to have a CTA that's in the same tone as the body and then the hook, just to have congruency between the entire text. After that, you're going to go have another prompt, which I like to call the glue. So you're gluing all these pieces together. You're going to go ask the AI to rewrite everything afterwards. And this is typically the process that I've used to create hundreds of ads, if not thousands of ad examples for clients. So let's go ahead and jump in. So because I love black t-shirts, we're going to go to Fresh Clean Threads, and we're going to go select the all black 5-pack for their black tees. So we're going to go copy the website text, and then we're going to go paste this in to the automation later. Very first module that we'll leverage is a set multiple variables module. And then we're going to go set this website text. So website text. Let's copy it in here or paste it in here. And we're going to go save it. Let's name this website text. Cool. We are golden. Now we're going to go create the idea, the body, the hook, the call to action, and we're going to go glue everything together. What we want to do first is select which model we want to use. At the moment right now, it's the end of 2024. We're going into 2025. I believe that the Anthropic Claude model is significantly better than the OpenAI model whenever it comes to text generation. So we're going to go use this for this example. So we're going to go create a prompt. We're going to go select Sonnet. We're going to go give the max token amount of 4096. And then we're going to go select that we want to have a user message text. Cool. So for the prompt, I'll go ahead and pause here and I'll go ahead and type this out. Okay, so I'll go ahead and read you what I just wrote. So you are a smart and helpful assistant. Your task is to go through the website text within triple quotations and create the idea of what the best hook, body, and call to action would be for this ad. Your task is to select who the best recipient of the product would be and then target the ad towards them. Remember, you are not creating the ad, only the outline. Don't intro or outro your response. Use grade 5 language. Ensure the ad is using copywriting best practices for direct response. Your outline will be the only input that a Facebook ad copywriter will use for the ad. The end goal for the ad is to have someone click through the ad and buy on the website. Now we're going to go say, here is the text. We're adding triple quotation marks. We're closing them up. And then we're going to go press OK. So to make sure that this is running correctly, we're going to go try this. Let's see what the output looks like. Cool. So it gives us some information about the target audience, the hook ideas, body focus, call to action elements, key differentiators to include, and then pain points to address. Cool. So going back to the overview, we now have the idea for the Facebook ad. We're then going to go create the body, the hook, the call to action. And then lastly, we're going to go glue everything together. So let's jump in. Next step, we're going to go clone this. I just often find it takes less time to clone it rather than to create everything from scratch again. Let's name this one. So we're going to go say idea generator. Let's click into this. And we're going to create the prompt for the body text. So you're a smart and helpful assistant. Your task is to go through the ad outline and complete the body text for the ad or a Facebook ad. Here's the outline. Let's add triple quotes. What else do we want to say here? Don't intro or outro your response right at a third grade reading level. Don't write massive blocks of text. Feel free to use bullet points and emojis to start the bullet points. Okay. Use direct response copywriting best practices. And then we're going to go copy this over here. We're going to go paste it over here. I'm going to go copy this, paste it over here. Remember, you are not creating the complete ad, only the body text that will be used between the hook and the call to action. We're going to delete everything underneath this. And this is looking pretty solid. Let's press OK. Yeah, we're going to run this again. It might take some time. So I'm not absolutely in love with this text response. This almost looks like a hook, and then this almost looks like a call to action. So what we want to do now is we just want to fine tune the prompt a bit more. So what we're going to go include here is to say, don't return a hook or a call to action. So we are telling the AI exactly what we do not want. So that would provide us with better results. We're going to go name this body text. And then for the other three modules, it will be very similar to what we just did here. So we're going to go copy these. So we're going to go clone them. Let's clone them again. And then we're going to go say that this one is the hook generator. This one is the CTA generator. Cool. So going into this hook generator prompt, we're going to go tweak it slightly by saying you are creating the hook for the Facebook ad. Don't return body text or a call to action. We're going to go say this. Here's the body text for reference. And then we're going to go add that body text as a variable here. And now this is looking pretty great. We're going to go do the same for the CTA generator, where we're saying you are creating the call to action. For a Facebook ad, don't return a hook or body text. Here's the hook. We're going to go reference the hook. And we're also going to go reference the body text. Here's the body text. Okay, great. So we have our prompts now. So we're going to go run it once and see what the AI returns. Give it a second. I'll go ahead and pause this now. Okay, so let's see what the AI returned. We're going to go start with the hook first. Let's look at the text response. Okay, so tired of t-shirts that make you look like a stuffed sausage? I don't know if I like that at all. Okay, that's really interesting. Meet the shirts that thousands of guys with dad bods are switching to. 270-pound Steven tried one and immediately ordered 12 more. Here's why. Holy smokes. I don't like that at all. That is awful. But we'll fix it. Here's the body text to use. Okay. And then here's the CTA. So it looks like we need to add word limit to each and every single section. So let's go ahead and jump in. You can at most return 75 words. We're going to go add a sneaky sentence in here as well. If you write a hook or a bot or a call to action, I will lose my job. We're adding a little bit of guilt in this prompt. Okay, cool. Let's go to the hook generator. You can at most return a hook that has 20 words. Don't fat shame on the ad. Reach out to people's desires in your copywriting approach. Cool. We're going to go say that if you write a call to action or include body text, I will lose my job. And now we're going to go to the call to action generator. We're going to go say this. If you write a hook or include body text, I will lose my job. You can at most return 20 words for the call to action. And this looks pretty good. Let's just go back to the body text generator. I just want to have a look at this. Cool. Let's see what the results will be now. Let's check it out here. Okay, so for the hook, at last, t-shirts that make your dad bod look like a dad build. That's pretty good. Okay, body text. Built for real guys with real bodies, our shirts are engineered to minimize your midsection while keeping you comfortable all day long. Okay. Join 1,400 satisfied customers who found their perfect fit. Our shirts work so well. We back them with a 100-day guarantee. Okay. That's looking good. And now let's look at the call to action generator. Grab your 5-pack for just $88, 20% off. And tonight, use our 60-second size finder to get your perfect fit. It repeats itself slightly more, but that's no issue. We're going to go add a third prompt here that says 4096. Text. You are a smart and helpful assistant. Your task is to combine 3 sections of a Facebook ad to make it cohesive. Now, right at a 5th grade reading level, use Facebook copywriting best practices. The end goal of this ad is to have viewers click through, go to the site, and buy. You can have at most 1 call to action and only 1 hook. Leverage emojis, but don't overuse them. At most, use 1 per line. It's completely fine to have a line without an emoji. If you don't do a great job, I will lose jobs. Here we go. What do you say? Don't intro or outro your response. And the very last thing that we need to do now is to add the variables or the context. So here's the outlines. Here's the call to action. Here's the body text. Here's the call to action. CTA. Yeah, we have that. Body text. Call to action. Actually, I'm going to go change this to a hook. Okay, so we have the hook, we have the body text, we have the call to action. Let's add in the outline. Let's just put these into triple quotation marks. There we go. Cool. And let's click run once. But before, let's just go ahead and give this a name. Okay, cool. Run once. I'm excited to see what this copy looks like. So we're going to go ahead to the final module here. Let's look at the text response. We have a hook, we have body text, and then we have a call to action over here. So here's the hook. Tired of t-shirts that ride up. Meet the shirt that finally fits your frame, not someone else's idea of perfect. Okay, that's pretty good. And then we have a call to action here as well, which is grab your 5-pack for $88 today. save $22, free shipping. Click now to transform your wardrobe. And then we have some text in the middle, which includes credibility. It provides some benefits. And it also lets the prospects know that they probably have a size for them. So I'm going to go give this copy maybe like a 7 out of 10, 7.5 out of 10. I don't really like the emojis being used, but those are small things that you could fine tune in the prompt later. But now what you have is you have an ability to pretty much dissect exactly which part of your output you're able to fine tune, because you could easily go into the idea generator, the body text, the hook generator, or the call to action generator, and just make small fine tunes. And the power of this is, let's just say that you are an agency. So whenever a client comes on board, you could pretty much go to their website, automatically scrape it, find some products that you want to run ads for them. And then you could automatically create ad copy. From there, you could also have notifications being sent to copywriters as soon as ad copy drafts are completed. So this will really cut down the amount of time it takes a copywriter to create Facebook ad copy. Now, the same process could be done for cold email copy. It could be done for Facebook ad copy. It could be done for blogs. What else can we do it for? YouTube scripts. This entire process really just comes down to finding the individual components, finding the steps that the automation would need to follow, and then simply just prompting it one step at a time. That's today's video. If you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe below, or let me know what other types of automation you'd like to see. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.